Hello and namaste everyone. So this is our 40 circles, 40 wish fulfilling circles. If you haven't watched the video about how to draw the circles with the intentions, I request you to watch that video below. The link is in the description to this video. So in Neurographica, circles have deep meaning, and we were working on the topic of 40 circles, and you can literally list down your 40 wishes, whatever it is, and create the energy in your drawing. Neurographica drawings are filled with energy. They have a lot of intentional energy behind it. So now, before I show you how we will color in these circles, I would like you all to activate these circles with the neurolines. If neurolines are the lines which do not repeat in itself and they lead us to where we do not expect them to go. So I will just go over the circles and activate them with few neurolines, and also this composition of circles. Now I'm connecting to the entire background. So taking the lines across the paper. So I'm connecting them. I want to energize each of my circles. And as I do that, mentally, I'm feeling what does each circle mean to me. I have already written and it is there in front of my very eyes, and I can visualize the things happening in front of my very own mind's eye as I am activating these circles with the neurolines. One line, one thought, one conjoining, one thought. This is how you make a change in your consciousness with Neurographica. One line at a time, one thought at a time, one conjoining at a time. And the drawings, they become much, much more powerful. So I'm just activating them. You can draw as many lines as you wish. The amount of energy you wish to put in your circles, you can do that. You can continue to do that. I'll show you few examples once I have activated all the circles here before I move on to the step of archetyping, coloring in the circles. So in Neurographica, when we color, we do not color in each section like mosaic. The meaning behind archetyping or coloring in Neurographica is to create a feeling of integration. You integrate with the environment wholly and you make your connection deeper. So it is all done with the feelings of integration. So now I'm conjoining these few just to show you all. A part of the circle is a circle. All these videos about how to draw the neurolines, how to conjoin, have already been posted. You can check. So this is in a series of creating Neurographica drawings, how to color, how to draw. This today's one is a part of how to color in Neurographica. But since my circles are filled with intention, I thought to activate them today with drawing few neurolines. I can activate them as much as I wish. I've just gone through each of the circles only once, and I'll continue to conjoin as I'm doing. Okay, so I would like to bring to your notice now. I'm just creating a few more shape and background lines. I'm following the basic user algorithm for the drawing, which is the foundation for all Neurographica drawings, where we follow the steps of the basic algorithm. Okay. Now just have a look. So in this drawing, the neurotree of self-development, this is done with the circles, as you can see. And in Neurographica, we do not color like mosaic with each circle in one color. We do not do that. We two or more sections. So one circle, like suppose that's now we have drawn the lines as you have seen. So I have got two or more sections in each circle, and we need to let the colors flow. So they will not be restricted like you will create a typical mosaic pattern. So suppose if you want to color, you are not going to color in each of the circle, just outlining it and then coloring it inside. No, we will let the colors flow and take its own way. If you want, even if you wish to color this one circle just in red, let the color flow. You want to integrate yourself fully as you are working on the Neurographica drawings. So that is the intention. You can pick up the colors of your choice, whichever colors you feel resonated with. Colors have deep meaning in Neurographica. So if we have some specific intention, you want to put in some specific things, then we do that as per the neurocolor theory in Neurographica. So here, without going much into detail, I'm just picking up the colors which are resonating with me intuitively, and I'm just coloring them in. As you see, I'm letting the colors flow out. I'm not going coloring in each circle by drawing the line and just doing coloring in one circle at a time, typically like how it is done in any other visual art form. We are not doing that in Neurographica. So for example, this is your circle. This is your neurograph circle. So in Neurographica, you are not going to color in your circle by creating an outline sort of thing like this and just go within the circle. No, we do not do that unless it is an affixing shape and we want to bring it to the notice. So that part also we will be showing in the next video to this series. Okay, so we are not going to color like this. We will let the colors flow. And if you see like, okay, number 21, number 20, what was my goal for that? So you can check what it is and which energy you want to give it. So check with that goal corresponding to the energy you wish to give. So like that, you can consciously put in the energy of the color to your wish. Whatever wish it is, around that, you can do that color. If there is a wish of creating some more joyful time, you can put in some yellow color. So this way, what color resonates to you, what color you wish to do, and you see like I'm coloring, letting the colors flow into each other while I am coloring. Or archetyping is the term we use in Neurographica. Suppose if you are having a wish of manifesting something and you just feel resonated by using only one color, suppose shades of blue, you have a special significance for it, special, you connect with that color, then you can just put that color in all the circles in different shades, the water element, if it is it. So that way you have to decide which colors resonate with you, which colors you want to do where, and do the thing. So now see, I'm integrating the colors beautifully, going one into another. And as I'm doing it, I'm thinking how beautifully all my 40 wishes are connected to each other. Nothing is in isolation because somehow or some way we are beings of energy and we connect at the energy level for each of our wishes, and it is the universal energy which comes together to bring that into existence when enough energy has been accumulated for those wishes to get fulfilled. So sometimes it is just one expression is enough to let the manifestation happen. Sometimes it can take a little time. So depending on the energy which has accumulated inside it, it takes the time. But it is sure to manifest when we start working with the intention of anything. So it has to come into existence when we do it. So it is like sometimes you just feel like reading and you will read the whole book. You'll just sit, you can't do anything else. The book has captivated you and you will read the whole book in one day. Or for some, it is, they will be reading one chapter at a time, but the book will be completed in the due course of time. So same is the energy of our wish fulfilling circles. For some of the wishes, the energy has already been accumulated so much, and that the work has been done, that it just comes into existence. But there is an accumulation of energy before. So it is not just overnight something happening. There are a lot of forces at play. So the way I'm doing this coloring in my circles and the way this is looking at present, I'm loving it. It's looking so, so beautiful. I'm having my list of 40 wishes, 40 circles of ecstasy, 40 wish-fulfilling circles in front of my eyes. And I see all those wishes coming true as I am archetyping. The beautiful colors flowing into one another, filling me with joy. Breath, and you continue. So I hope this video was helpful, and there is one more part to it about affixing, how to color in an affixed circle and how to make it look 3D. So that would be in the part 3 to this series. Wish you all the best. May all your wishes be fulfilled and everything come true as it happens. Thank you all for joining me in this beautiful space of Neuroniverse, where we all are connected as one energy in any point of time. Thank you. Thank you so much.